morning, students. Welcome to your mathematics class. Yesterday, we have discussed about chapter number 5, that is addition. Let me give you the recap of yesterday class. Yesterday, we have learned about the addition of two digits with carry over. So, today we will learn how to solve the word problem on addition. So, let's get started. Sum number 1. In an examination, 584 students passed and 178 failed. एक एग्जामिनेशन में 584 स्टूडेंट पास हो गए और 178 स्टूडेंट्स फेल हो गए. हाउ मैनी स्टूडेंट्स अपीयर्ड. तो हमें निकालना है कि उस एग्जामिनेशन में कितने स्टूडेंट अपीयर हुए. नाउ सी द सॉल्यूशन. First, you are going to write down the place value, that is ones, tens and 100. Now we write down the statement of this sum. How many students passed? Yes, 584. Now write the number according to the place. 4 at ones place, 8 at tens place and 5 at 100 place. Now how many students failed? Yes, 178. Now again you write the number according to the place. 8 is at ones place, 7 is at tens place and 1 is at 100 place. Now we find out the appear student. So for this we add 584 and 178 together. And as you know that our addition starts from the ones place. Now add 4 and 8 together. When we add 4 and 8, we get 12 and 12 is a two digit number. और हमने क्या पढ़ा था कि एक प्लेस पर केवल एक ही डिजिट आएगी. So write 2 at ones place and 1 carry over at tens place. Now in second step we add the tens place. Now add 1, 8 and 7. When we add 1, 8 and 7, we get 16. Again 16 is a two digit number. So we write 6 at tens place and 1 carry over at 100 place. Now in third step, we add 100 place. Now add 1, 5 and 1. When we add 1, 5 and 1 together, we get 7. So we write 7 at 100 place. So, total student appear in an examination is 762. Got it, students? Now, sum number 2. There are 288 apples in one basket and 174 in another basket. एक बास्केट में 288 एप्पल्स थे और दूसरी बास्केट में 174 एप्पल्स से. हाउ मैनी एप्पल्स इन ऑल आर देयर इन द टू बास्केट. तो हमें यह बताना है कि दोनों बास्केट्स में कितने एप्पल्स थे. सो लेट्स सी द सॉल्यूशन. अगेन फर्स्ट यू हैव टू राइट द प्लेस वैल्यू, दैट इज वंस, टेंस एंड 100. नाउ अगेन वी राइट द स्टेटमेंट. Now how many apples in one basket? Yes, 288. Now write the number 288 according to the place. 8 is ones place, again 8 is tens place and 2 at 100 place. Now apple in another basket. और दूसरी बास्केट में कितने एप्पल्स थे? 174. Again you write the number 174 according to the place. 4 at ones place, 7 at tens place and 1 at 100 place. Now we find out the total apple in the basket. हमें निकालना था कि बास्केट में दोनों बास्केट में कितने एप्पल्स हैं. For this we add 288 and 174 together. As you know, our addition starts from the ones place. Again, you add 8 and 4. When we add 8 and 4, we get 12. 12 is a two-digit number and we write only one digit in ones place. So, we write 2 in ones place and 1 carry over at tens place. Now, in second step, we add tens. Now, add 1, 8 and 7. When we add 1, 8 and 7, we get 16. Again 16 is a two-digit number. So we write 6 in tens place and 1 carry over at 100 place. Now in third step we add 100 place. Now add 1, 2 and 1. When we add 1, 2 and 1, we get 4. So we write 4 at 100 place. So the total apples in the basket are 462. Got it, student? Now come to the sum number 3. Rahul needs 475 rupees to pay his school fees and 187 rupees to buy exercise book. राहुल ने 475 रुपीस अपनी स्कूल फीस देने के लिए और 187 रुपीस से उसने एक एक्सरसाइज बुक खरीदी. हाउ मैनी रुपीस डज ही नीड ऑल टुगेदर. तो हमें बताना है कि उसे अपनी स्कूल की फीस के लिए और एक्सरसाइज बुक के लिए टोटल कितनी मनी चाहिए. फॉर दिस यू सी द सॉल्यूशन. अगेन फर्स्ट यू राइट डाउन द प्लेस वैल्यू, that is ones, tens and 100. Now again we write the statement. First, money needed for school fees. अब राहुल को अपनी स्कूल फीस के लिए कितनी मनी चाहिए थी? Yes, 475. Now you write this number according to the place value. 5 at ones place, 7 at tens place and 4 at 100 place. Now money needed for exercise book. और उसे अपनी एक्सरसाइज बुक को खरीदने के लिए कितनी मनी चाहिए थी? Yes, 187. Now again you write the number according to the place value. 7 at ones place, 8 at tens place and 1 at 100 place. Now we find out the total money needed by Rahul. तो हमें बताना था कि राहुल को टोटल कितनी मनी चाहिए थी. So for this we add 475 and 187 together. Now in first step we start from our ones place. Now add 5 and 7. When we add 5 and 7 we get 12 and 12 is a two-digit number. In ones place only we write one digit. So here in ones place we write 2 and 1 carry at tens place. Now in second step we add the tens place. We add 1, 8, 7 and 8. When we add 1, 7 and 8 together, we get 16. Again 16 is a two-digit number. So we write 6 at tens place and 1 carry at 100 place. Now in third step, we add 100 place. Now add 1, 4 and 1. When we add 1, 4 and 1, we get 6. So total money needed by Rahul is 662. Got it, students? Now see the sum number 4. A number is 256 more than 594. एक नंबर 594 से 256 मोर है यानी ज़्यादा है. What is the number? तो वो नंबर क्या है? So, to find out the number, we add 594 and 256 together. Now see the solution. For this, first we write down the place value, that is ones, tens and 100. Now we write the number 594 according to the place. 4 at ones place, 9 at tens place and 5 at 100 place. Now we write the next number 256 according to the place. Now write 6 at 1's place, 5 at 10's place and 2 at 100 place. For finding the number that is 256 more than 594, we add 594 and 256 together. So in first step, we start addition from the ones place. Now add 4 and 6. When we add 4 and 6, we get 10. And 10 is a two-digit number. So we write 0 at ones place and 1 carry over at tens place. Now in step 2, add the tens place. Now add 1, 9 and 5. When we add 1, 9 and 5, we get 15. Again 15 is a two-digit number. So we write 5 at tens place and 1 carry over at 100 place. Now in third step, we add 100 place. Now add 1, 5 and 7. When we add 1, 5 and 7, we get 8. Now write 8 at 100 place. So the number which is more than 594 is 850. Got it, students? Now see the sum number 5. In an election, there were 2 candidates. एक इलेक्शन में 2 कैंडिडेट थे. One candidate got 319 votes and the other got 387 votes. One candidate को 319 votes मिले और दूसरे कैंडिडेट को 387 votes मिले. How many votes polled in all? तो हमें निकालना है कि दोनों के वोट्स मिलाकर कितने थे. Now see the solution. So firstly you write down the place value, that is ones, tens and 100. So we write down the statement, that is vote got by one candidate. पहले कैंडिडेट को कितने वोट्स मिले थे? 319. Now we write the number according to the place. 9 at ones place, 1 at tens place and 3 at 100 place. Now vote got by other candidate. दूसरे कैंडिडेट को कितने वोट्स मिले? 387. Again we write the number according to the place. 7 at ones place, 8 at tens place and 3 at 100 place. Now we find out the total votes poll in all. तो हमें निकालना है कि टोटल कितने वोट्स डले. सो वी एड 319 and 387 together. In one first step, you start addition from the ones place. Now add 9 and 7. When we add 9 and 7, we get 16. And 16 is a two-digit number. So we write 6 at ones place and 1 carry over at tens place. Now add the tens place. Now add 1, 1 and 8. When we add 1, 1 and 8, we get 10. Again 10 is a two-digit number. So we write 0 at tens place and 1 carry over at 100 place. Now in third step, we add the 100 place. Add 1, 3 and 3. When we add 1, 3 and 3, we get 7. So, total votes polled in all is 706. Got it, students? So, students, now we know how to understand and solve the word problem of addition. Do practice with the more and more word problem having 3-digit numbers. Thank you and have a nice day.